Hello everyone, this video is about the gas cylinder and the question of whether it can become dangerous if the gas cylinder is left in the sun for a long time. Some individuals may experience an uneasy sensation when a material like liquefied gas is exposed to the intense rays of the sun for an extended period. Because as we recall from physics class memories, when heat is added, gas expands, and then does the gas cylinder eventually burst? No, it doesn't happen quite that quickly, of course. Some liquefied gas suppliers state in their safety documentation that a medium like LPG should not rise above a storage temperature of 50 degrees, and 50 degrees is quite a statement. This can also be explained very well using a so-called vapor pressure curve. The vapor pressure curve demonstrates DOT, the pressure present in the propane gas cylinder at a specific given temperature, at 50 degrees previously mentioned. The bottle holds 17 bar pressure. To provide some additional perspective, gas cylinders in Germany must be designed and built to be capable of withstanding a pressure of at least 30 bar. If the unlikely event occurs that the 30 bar limit is exceeded, a safeguard system is still there to ensure safety. It's integrated into the gas cylinder valve, and you can see it quite well here by the red plastic cap. It's called a safety valve and releases a harmlessly small amount of LPG should the 30 bar mark be broken. In summary, the gas cylinder can definitely be in the sun, but you shouldn't leave it parked there for an extended period of time. But even if you accidentally leave them in those subtropical temperatures for a while, rest assured there's still a reliable safety backup in place. We'd like to extend a heartfelt thank you for your attention. We would be absolutely thrilled if you could give us a like or consider subscribing to our channel to always stay updated. Thanks a lot.